All right, we're on the descent, the approach at Teterboro. They've got us going to direct Penns and the STWVOR and direct Teterboro. They instructed us to descend to 6,000. So we're almost there. Looks like we're about 30 minutes away. Hopefully the batteries last and catch the approach and landing. It was a non-eventful flight, pretty smooth all the way. Except for we climbed when we were at 11,000 feet for a while. I started to get a headache. Checked the oxygen level and it was like in the 60s. Actually, one time it was like 55. So we descended back down to 7,000 and stayed there, and it's been fine ever since. Go through this cloud that's going to be a little bumpy. We never really had any winds helping us. Usually when you're going west or east, the wind is in our favor, but it wasn't today. So we just kind of plucked along around 200 miles per hour. Doing about 175 knots true airspeed. We're in the green arc, which is why I'm not slowing down. If it gets too bumpy, we will. And then anytime I anticipate it's going to be bumpy, I also predict that the autopilot might kick off, so I'm always ready to take over. All right, here we go. Going into IMC. As suspected, so we're going to slow down here. Yeah, these little popcorn clouds are going to be annoying.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, there is traffic 5 miles north of Hazleton Airport. They're southeastbound at 6,000 feet. They'll be about 4 miles outside of the airport during drop.
In New York, we're an hour ahead here. Very beautiful state, a lot of trees. You know, you hear New York, you just imagine New York City, all the buildings and the concrete jungle.
We're 7181 Yankee, send to maintain 5,000.
5,000, 718 when you... All right, we're at 5,000 feet now. I'm ready to land. Should have been a 3-hour flight, took us about 3 hours and 45 minutes. Like I said earlier, the wind was a headwind all the way, or a quartering crosswind. Now we're passing Penns now. We'll turn slightly left towards the, right into the clouds.
800.
Hey, there's the ATC.
2997. Left Zulu runway 6, approach and use.
Runway 6, that's what I needed.
Runway 6. Departing runway 1. Notice to airmen. For CPDLC logon, use KUSA. All VFR departures contact clearance delivery on 128.05 prior to taxi. Bird activity in the vicinity of Teterboro Airport. Teterboro departures must...
Number 69er, Quebec, climb maintain 5,000.
Leaving 4 for 5,000, 66 on Quebec.
Number 81, Yankee contact, Newark approach, 127.6.
27.6, 709 Yankee, see ya.
See ya.
Initial contact. You have information, Papa.
Papa.
Teterboro Airport AI fits information.
Approach afternoon, traffic flow with you 5,200, climbing to 14.5.
This is one, Roger, altimeter's 2997, you're at a Keswick.
97.
Approach Aztec 781 Yankee, level 5,000. We've got Papa, Teterboro.
7181 Yankee, your first afternoon, expect ALS to the 6. 997.
You say 9 or 7? 708 Yankee?
9 or 7, affirmative.
Got it, 709 Yankee.
1 Yankee, proceed direct to Vings.
Vings, V-I-N-G-S, 718 Yankee. Thank you, Lord, approach.
81 Yankee, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 718 Yankee. And which approach are you putting me on, runway 6?
ILS Zulu, runway 6.
ILS Zulu 6.
5404, 180 or better till Daisy.
Put it on the map.
180 or better.
Towers 119.5. Alright, it's getting warm in here. Let's open up the air.
Approach, traffic 1, 2 minutes.
We'll make a left on Vings. That'll put us right on the runway. So we'll cross Vings at
Approach,
2,000.
traffic 1, 2 minutes out.
Touch 1, Roger.
Less than 1,700.
Shoot off over Sussex County Airport out below 12.5.
1,300 dandy.
5404, tower on 19.5.
Mandatory.
Alright.
November 81 Yankee, turn 15 degrees to the right, vector sequence.
Turn 15 degrees to the right, 798 Yankee. As you can see, the green lines that we're using now, the middle part, we're flying towards it. As that line becomes one straight arrow, that's when we'll be turning towards the arrow, and that'll be directly on the runway.
Praxis 33 Alpha, traffic no factor, cross Alita at or above 3, Vings at 2, cleared ILS to runway 6.
Cockpit with the profile, we are clear for the ILS 06 Zulu via Alita and wings. Cross at 3 and 2, fraction 633 Alpha.
81 Yankee, descend to maintain 2,000.
2,781 Yankee.
ILS Zulu 6, 2997 on the meter, Carl 7.
Call 70, traffic catch 2 o'clock, 5 miles northeastbound at 5,000 to Skyhawk.
Roger that, just about going IMC, Carl 7.
November 81 Yankee, 5 miles from Vegas, turn left 090, 2,000 till established, cleared ILS to runway 6.
Turn left 090 at maintain 2,000 until established, 798.
Roger that.
Coming in. And then we'll turn right in.
Alpha, Lima, India, Delta, Alpha.
Yep, just rounded on.
Too bad it's not clear.
2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000.
Well, let's
Number
show
81 Yankee, pedal as hard as you can, as long as you can. Contact tower on 19.5. Good day.
19.5 to tower and go pedal to the metal, 791 Yankee.
That's 100, the set of main.
VFR 1,400.
1,400, directed to Washington Bridge, they're Charlie Foxtrot.
Teterboro Tower Aztec 791 Yankees is on the ILS Zulu 6.
For 781 Yankee, Teterboro Tower, wind calm, traffic will hold in the part runway 1 prior to arrival, runway 6, clear to land, safe parking.
We're going to Meridian West. Clear to land, runway 6, 791. Oh, there's downtown.
584, traffic on a 2 mile
That's
final,
what we
runway
wanted
6,
to
runway 1, clear for takeoff, wind 1504.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, is that jet 584?
Alright, let's start going here. Gas.
Jet 584, contact departure 119.2, let's see.
Now is that jet 584?
1 dot above.
And over 81 Yankee, and just a reminder, there's a cross restriction at Dandy in about 2 miles at 1,300. Mandatory restriction at 1,300.
Cross Dandy at 1,300, mandatory 701 Yankee.
Thank you, sir. Just wanted to double check. Fraction 633 Alpha, contact ground point 9. Have a good day.
21.9 fraction 633 Alpha, bye-bye.
Alright, let's get our gear down, gas, undercarriage, mixtures. Props will leave at 2,400. Gas, undercarriage, 3 greens, mixtures, props, switches, 1 in the mirror. We'll get our flaps down now. Wind check, 791 Yankee.
Wind 120 at 5.
Thank you, 791. Final gums check, gas, undercarriage, 3 green, mixtures, props,
500.
switches, seat belts, 1 in the mirror.
500.
Teterboro Tower, jet speed 100 ILS, Zulu, runway 6.
Jet speed 100 Teterboro Tower, wind 080 at 7, runway 6, cleared to land. Safe parking?
All right, runway 6 clear to land. We're heading to Signature South, sir. Jet speed 100.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get it down on the ground here. There we go.
Today 29 Teterboro Tower, runway 1, line up and wait, traffic roll out, runway 6.
Runway 1, line up and wait, exact jet 829.
Jet speed 100, traffic will hold in the depart, runway 1, prior to arrival.
Jet speed 100, thank you.
Or A1 Yankee, left turn at hotel and then contact ground point 9. Have a good afternoon.
Left on hotel over the ground, 709 Yankee. Thank you for your help.
Jet at 829, wind 100.
6 and follow the citation, 76 Tango Hotel.
Argo 736, Teterboro ground, runway 1, taxi via Papa Charlie, hold short runway 6.
Runway 1, Papa Charlie, hold short 6, Arcadia 736.
Alright, call flaps are open.
And Argo 736 information.
We'll cross the whole short line here.
We have Quebec, Arcadia 736.
We'll cross the whole short line here. And call in. We're gonna go to Meridian. Let's get the flaps up here. The windows nice and warm here.
Jet aviation from Charlie Sierra Golf, Lima Zulu. Very good morning.
Yeah, who's that? Is that 7181 Yankee?
That wasn't 781 Yankee, but I'm ready to go to Signature West.
A1 Yankee, roger, taxi to Park via Papa.
Make a left on Papa 781 Yankee. Alrighty then. Are we late? Yeah, we're late. About half hour. Tried to make it up in the air, but it did not happen. That was a fun approach. I wish it was clearer so we could see more. But we're here. We've got some passengers to pick up, and then tomorrow we'll fly to Cleveland, and then the day after back to Chicago. Hopefully they'll allow me to film those. We'll see you guys then. Take care.